This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Germany is so rich. Germany stands as Europe's largest economy and ranks as the third largest globally by nominal GDP. This impressive economic standing is built upon a robust foundation. The nation boasts a highly industrialized economy, with key sectors like automotive, machinery, and chemicals driving significant output. Furthermore, Germany is a global trade leader, with exports contributing almost one-half of its total GDP. This strong export orientation is a critical component of its sustained prosperity. Germany's economic success is deeply rooted in several key pillars. Its renowned dual vocational education system is instrumental in producing a highly skilled workforce, perfectly aligned with industry needs. This commitment to practical training ensures a continuous supply of qualified professionals. Moreover, substantial investments in research and development fuel innovation across diverse sectors, keeping German industries at the forefront. A significant strength also lies in its Mittelstand, small and medium-sized enterprises that are often hidden champions and global market leaders in their specialized fields. Germany's strategic economic approach plays a vital role in its wealth. The nation consistently ranks among the top 3 exporting countries globally, demonstrating a powerful focus on international trade. This export-driven model is supported by an open economy that actively encourages extensive international trade and investment, fostering strong global connections. Underlying this success is Germany's stable social market economy, a unique system that skillfully balances free market principles with a robust social welfare framework, ensuring both economic dynamism and societal stability. Germany's enduring prosperity is a testament to its economic model, which prioritizes long-term stability and fierce business competitiveness. The nation consistently adapts to evolving global challenges, such as the ongoing energy transition, to ensure sustained growth and maintain its leading position. This forward-thinking approach is essential for future success. If you're looking to understand more about building and maintaining wealth, you might find a great resource in the description below. We've included a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals. Be sure to check it out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.